there's lots we can do. So if we're going to just talk about options, you can put an implant back in. And the cascade for that is you're still dealing with shedding, you're still dealing with silicone, you're still dealing with the the local microbiome, the biofilms, the different things, right? The sensitivities, the allergies, the impact that it's going to have on your whole system. If you've already been having symptoms, more than likely you will get those symptoms back, right? Especially if they don't remove the old capsule. You can do a lift and be flatter than you were than with the implants. And then some people do something called fat transfer, where you take the fat from like your thighs and your hips and you put them in your breasts. And there's informed consent around that, where you're taking fat and then you're spinning it down to make almost like stem cells, and then injecting it back into an area that was rich with inflammation and silicone and things. So this is what I did, right? So not in a non-judgmental way, but think about the inflammation your body's going through with breast implant illness. And now you're asking it to heal inflammatory wise from taking fat from one place and putting it in the other. And if we think of stem cells, like a baby, it needs an environment in which it can attach and grow.
Nurture and get nurtured, if not they'll.
And is that an inflamed breast from you just took the breast implant out in the capsules? Like, I wish I had known, right?